My name is Jason Leopoldo, and I'm the president of JEM Systems.
And I'm James Taylor. I'm the senior offering director for Honeywell Software and Services within the fire safety business.
We all know that there's a huge opportunity in the BDA market, and that's why we're here today. The idea of JEM supporting customers with solutions and not only parts is a big reason why we believe that Honeywell and PCTel coming together with JEM is such a big added value to our customers. We always keep seeing how BDA is a huge opportunity in this space right now, especially with fire life safety companies. I mean, obviously with Honeywell partnering with Fiplex, it's a huge opportunity for everyone. We see a lot of our customers that do design with us or we provide support. They always tell us, hey, we're passing up on BDA projects because we don't have the expertise or the team to do it. So we always tell them, hey, why leave that opportunity on the table, right? Why not use us as support so we can help you gain opportunity, gain business, and be stickier to your customers.
So when we think about BDA, we knew it was a market that is regulated and important, and so we saw an opportunity to be an OEM for that product. But beyond that, we really saw the opportunity of, when you're a first responder and you show up to a burning building, you expect your radio to work. And so the important work that you're doing, that our customers are doing, is that when that fire person hits their radio, they expect to be able to talk to the ground control and have that communication. And a BDA system that's properly installed and properly maintained makes sure that you have reliable communications for first responders. And that's part of Honeywell's overall North Star around how we have zero losses in our communities from a fire event. And this is just part of that puzzle for us on how we create a better outcome and a higher life safety standard.
So many years ago, we did 20 grid tests for customers using just regular handheld radios and speaking with the fire department. And I mean, we saw that it was very tedious work. It took a long time, and then you still had to go back to the office after and draft the plans and the reports for the customers. And then we compare them now to how we do it with PCTel. I mean, it's super fast. I would say it's about 10 times faster, and the reports are automatically generated at the end of a project. And so you honestly, with the amount of time you save, you're paying for the unit in itself. So for us, using it to provide the service and test for our customers, as well as selling a PCTel or supporting ESDs or installers with the PCTel, we see that there's a huge value on the labor side.
Today, we offer ESDs to buy a PCTel unit directly from Honeywell, but it costs tens of thousands of dollars. Part of the partnership with you is to reduce that investment. You want to talk about some of the ways that you're making it easier for people to get started?
Yeah, so we're going to continue the same model that Honeywell has, where a customer can buy it up front if they wish. But we're also trying to be a little bit creative and agile and dynamic in the way we can provide the support on PCTel to our customers. So we're going to be offering virtual lease-to-buy models where customers can, let's say, test it out, and it's another way that we're reducing the risk for the customers to get into the BDA space. So they'll test it out, and within X amount of months, they want to cut us out of the deal and they can purchase it outright. We're giving them that option as well.
That's awesome. That's what I'm most excited about this partnership is I want to make it so easy, such a no-brainer for someone to go in and when they're doing their normal test inspection with maybe even a smoke test, that they're able to just say, you know what, I'm going to put on the BDA and do that test as well and start creating some new ways to generate revenue for those ESDs to say, hey, we actually tested your BDA, would you like to pay it? Yeah. Would you like to see what the outcome was? And then generate more upgrades for each of the ESDs around 700, 800, those types of systems as well.
We feel like JEM can provide the support to our customers with PCTels. We already provide the service of testing for our customers with our PCTels. So we're traveling throughout the United States already, going to their job sites and assisting them with their test as a third party. We feel like doing this and having the ability to lease to buy a PCTel to our customers is big because we're showing them how they can truly add value in real time. And then we're also saying, hey, you can have one also, and let us reduce the risk of you purchasing one. So we feel like that's a huge value because it's not only are we saying, hey, come buy one, but we're saying, hey, let us show you how it's done in the field on one of your actual projects, and then we can actually leave them a PCTel at the end. So everyone at JEM wants to thank Honeywell for the continued partnership and the belief in JEM and the amount of value we can provide to our customers and instill in them and to continue to grow the Honeywell brand. So I think this partnership with both PCTel and Honeywell is another step in the right direction for all of us.
Yeah, thank you, Jason. Thanks for having me out. And my call to action, my ask is get out there and test more BDA. We need to make sure that every building has, when that fire person hits the radio, they get a call back.